Hey, how's it going? Today I'll show you how to get this amazing live sports and live TV application to your Amazon Fire Stick in 2025. The whole process is super easy and will take you only a couple of minutes. And without any further ado, the first step you gotta take is of course getting the app called Downloader to your Fire Stick. So if you already have the Downloader on your device and it is properly set up, then you could actually skip this step. But if you don't have the Downloader yet, or you are unsure if it is set up correctly, then of course just follow me. So we have to go and open the search bar on your Fire Stick. There it is, let's open it up. And now from here you have to start typing Downloader in a search bar. But usually there is even no need to enter the whole name of the app, because as you can see, Downloader has already popped out for us at the bottom. Click on it, and here is the app, which you need to get to your Fire Stick. But after you got the Downloader, it's not over yet, because you still have to set it up. So now in order to actually set up the loader, we are gonna go to settings by clicking this little button with a gear icon, and then you scroll down and open My Fire TV. So let's open it together. And now from here, what you have to do is turn on the developer options. But on some Fire Sticks, and especially on the new Fire TV Stick devices, the developer options might be hidden by default. So if that's the case, and you cannot find developer options anywhere, then there is no need to worry because it's pretty easy to make them appear. Just go to About, select Fire TV Stick, and now you have to start clicking on the middle button on your remote. And do it fast, so let's do it. And as you can see, now for me at the bottom, it says no need, you are already a developer. That's in my case. And in your case, it will say that you have become a developer now. So if you go back a bit, you will finally see developer options. Open them, make sure to turn on the ADB debugging, then go to install unknown apps. And from here, all you have to do is locate downloader and just turn this option on. So what it does, it's gonna allow you to install other applications from the internet, and not necessarily only those apps which are only available in your official Amazon App Store by default. And that's exactly what we're gonna do right now. So we go back to a list of apps on the Fire Stick. There it is, let's open it up, and here is the downloader, which we just got. However, before actually using the loader, there's one more thing which I always recommend doing. And it's of course connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN because they're super fast. They got a great app for Fire Sticks, Android TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device you may use. And they are not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost less than a couple of bucks per month, which is a great pricing for us, the users. And all you have to do in a VPN app is just connect to any server. Let's say we connect to Czech Republic right now, and from the moment you connect, all your traffic will be totally encrypted. It means that no one can track you or snoop on you online, and that's really important if you want to stay out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you want to try it out, then I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in a pinned comment below this video or in a description of this video, you will get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free, which is an amazing offer. And if you're watching this video on your TV or on your Fire Stick, then just grab your phone or your computer, open up a web browser and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website, which is going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN with 3 months for free. Or just scan the QR code, which you can see on the screen right now, with a camera of your phone. It works the same way, and it's also going to give you the same deal for Nord. And now, finally, let's use Downloader safely. So we just go back to the list of apps on your device. Here it is. Let's open it together. And now it's time to start using the downloader. So just open that app. And now here in the search bar, it's time to enter a code. it should be 314209. So once again, it's 314209. That is the code you have to enter. After that, click go, and while it's loading, make sure to subscribe my channel, so you will get even more content about Firesticks. And now, in a couple of moments, the download of the app will start. Usually, it does not take long, but of course, it all depends on your connection speed. So just wait a bit, then click install, and wait until the installation process is fully finished. After that, do not click open yet. Instead, it's better to press done, because this way you get an option to delete the installation files, as you don't really need them anymore on your Firestick. So you just click on delete and then delete once again. This way you will be able to save yourself some free space on the Firestick. And it's really important, because by default your Firestick doesn't really have too much of free space available anyway. And then we have to go back to a list of apps on your device. So let's do it together. There it is. Let's open it up. Then you have to scroll down. And here is this new application which we just got. So now, first of all, I would recommend you to click on the options button on your remote. That is the button with 3 horizontal lines, right next to the home button on your remote. Just click on it and then press on move to front. This way, the app will always be at the very top of your application list. And therefore, it will be way easier for you to access the app every time you need it. Then let's finally open it up. Click continue in here. And now from here, I will have to blur out the screen, but in your case, of course, it's gonna be fully visible. And basically in this app, you can get loads of live TV and live TV channels from all over the world, including US, UK, Canada, Australia, and so on. So enjoy the app and see you next time. Bye bye.